This is Nishlo's Batrai or Nish. As per our homework, second homework for our Java class, this is the expected question, and the final printout answer paragraph for the passage would be this one right here. I copied pasted that onto my text edit, which is right here. And since I already have my Eclipse running, I'm gonna go ahead and start that. So to start with, I did not want to create another project, so I had the one I created earlier in the class for the class notes. I just added another class onto the same project, I guess. So yes, so this is the class notes basically, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you my homework, which is right here, which is right here. Okay, so of course it was done in the public static void main string method, and the I kind of for this scanner I just put p as a primitive and np as a non-primitive, and I did make some changes here. So there were some things I had to Google because and I'll tell you that later. Let me go ahead and run this real quick. So let me go ahead and run this. Okay, there you go. All right, so we want the answer at James Bond. There's a space between James and Bond. How old are you? He's 40 years old. What is your gender? He's male. Uh, where are you from? He's from England. Where do you live now? He lives in New York. New York. Where do you work? He works at IBM. His job right now is automation engineer. Job role. Salary is 100,000 .002 decimal places. How much raise are you getting next year? Is 50,000. 0 decimal. Okay, so for the final output, here is the final output. I did make some, I thought since in the beginning I thought since the questions and the order of the answers here, they're not in the correct order, but I did realize towards the end I felt like as long as you put in the last string, as long as you put in the system out print the print string, the way you how you wanted it, it doesn't really matter how the questions are answered. So I figured that one out. And also, let me just go ahead and come from this. My name is James Bond. I'm 40 years old, male. I work at IBM as automation engineer. I currently live in New York City. I'm originally from England. I make $100,000. I will get 50,000 as annual raise. So my total salary will be $150,000 next year, which is exactly as the expected answer. Okay, so my last system out print function, I kind of reordered this the places, the questions and answers, the questions and how we wanted it. And also one thing I had to Google was this one right here, because I was kind of struggling with how to bring out the decimal to two decimal places, and I found this online, so I was able to use that for all of my other raise and salary and total salary as well. So there you go. I think I was able to do it on the couple few attempts. I had to kind of struggle with a couple of things, but I was able to figure it out. Again, thank you so much again. And if you have any feedback, do let me know. This is Nish. Have a good day.